Attention! If you have difficulty urinating or too frequent urination but don't have urine infection, you have developed blockages in the kidney and bladder meridians, and you have a Qi deficiency in the kidney and bladder. Practice this custom Qigong routine that will help your urination in a big way. Rotating waist 50 times, caterpillar 30 times, wall squatting 20 times, patting body 2 times, tiptoeing 6 times. What are the benefits of this custom routine? It can strengthen your waist, hip joints, and legs, reduce lower back pain, strengthen the kidney and bladder and the whole spine, and increase qi and blood flow in the lower limbs. To access this Qigong routine, use the code on the screen and paste it into Onenergy Qigong app. By practicing this routine twice daily, you will experience a noticeable improvement in just a few weeks.